Hello. Hello, good Hello. Hello, good afternoon, all. Are we audible? We are from NMDC.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, you are
Good
audible.
afternoon, sir.
So, good afternoon, everybody. कैमरा लगाने से इधर दिखेगा ना। नहीं, ऐसा ही घुमा दो। फोटो भी क्लिक कर लिया ना, उसमें आगे उसके Yeah, I think even you can switch on your camera so that we can see each other. Yeah, once again, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prabhu Sundaram Prabhu. I'm GMIT calling here from NMDC Hyderabad. Okay. So along with me, I have a team of people. I have two people from ERP department. They are DGM mining and DGM electrical. I have my colleague, senior manager IT, and two consultants from GT. Okay. So we have from the Ministry of Steel, and we are part of this hackathon initiative. So this is the first mentoring session we thought of scheduling to you all. So I have received a list of 5 teams to whom we have sent the link. It will be good if you can introduce yourself one by one, please. So we can start with that first tile, Gayatri, a quick and a brief introduction you can say as to which
Hi,
year you are, what is your branch, and from which college. Okay.
sir. I am Gayatri V. My team is Jupiter 2025. Our team leader is not available, so I joined the meeting. I am from AAA College of Engineering and Technology, Sivahasi, Tamil Nadu.
Triple IT. Okay. Okay, fine. Anshit, you can introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. I am
Yeah.
Anshit Sharma from, from Bhagwan Pashuram Institute of Technology, Delhi. My team name is Synapse.
And you are from which branch?
IT, Information
Okay.
Technology.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Siddharth.
Hello, everyone. My name is Siddharth Shankar Swain. I am a third year undergraduate student at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, from Mining Engineering Department, and my team is Fallen Rock.
Okay, Arsh.
Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Harsh Tiwari. I'm a third year undergraduate pursuing computer science and engineering at Bhagwan Parshuram Institute of Technology, Delhi. Team name is Synapse.
Yeah, Saksham.
Yeah, I think am I audible?
Yeah.
My name is Saksham Tiwari. I'm from Team Fallen Rock. I'm a third year undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur.
Okay. Yeah, Priyanshi.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Priyanshi. I am a third year undergrad student from Bhagwan Parshuram Institute of Technology, and I am in IT branch.
Okay, thank you. Shashank.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sasank. I'm a third year undergraduate student from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. I'm from Mining Engineering Department.
Yeah, Pratyush.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Pratyush Sharma. I'm a third year student at Bhagwan Parshuram Institute of Technology. I am from IT department.
Thank you. Mithun.
Myself, Mithun from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, currently pursuing my final year in the BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science.
Hosang Yadav.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Pusang Yadav and pursuing third year BTech in IT from Delhi.
So, you know our problem statement. So before coming to the problem statement, since you may not be aware about our company and our products and our process, we thought of having an presentation, a PowerPoint presentation, which will take you through all these details. So maybe once you go through this, you will be having a better picture. Okay. So we'll have this presentation first. So one of you can maybe present. Yes. So my colleague here from mining, Atul Tiwari will present. Okay. So presentation mode में चलेगा अभी. So over to you, Atul.
Yeah. So good afternoon, everyone. So as Prabhu sir has already told you that this topic for which 5 institutions have been selected is inefficient energy use in iron ore mining operations. So from your introduction, I am aware that few of you are mining engineer and remaining are CNIT persons. Okay.
आगे कर दो.
So maybe the person who are already working in mining would be able to grasp the things bit easily, whereas we have prepared the presentation in a very easy way. And whenever you face any challenge, any question is there, you can straight away interrupt me and ask the question. So basically NMDC is nothing but we have incorporated in 1958 as a fully on government of India public sector. Okay, and we are under Ministry of Steel. So since year 2008, we are falling under Navatna status. And the basic mineral for which we are involved is iron ore mining, because most of our projects are basically iron ore. We are having basically 4 mining complexes. One is Bacheli complex in Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh state. Second one is Kendur complex in Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh. Okay, so these two complexes are 10 kilometers apart, and NMDC is producing majority of iron ore from these two mines itself. Complexes, I would say. So approximately 30 to 32 million ton we produce from these two complexes. Apart from these two complexes, we are also having one complex, that is Donimalai complex in Bellary district of Karnataka. So in this complex, we are having 3 setup. One is KIOM Kumaraswamy Iron Ore Mine, one is Donimalai Iron Ore Mine, and one is pellet plant. And currently, we are producing approximately 45 million ton of iron ores from these 3 mining locations. And we have set an ambitious target of producing 100 million ton of production capacity by 2030. Apart from this, we are also having one diamond mining project at Panna. Okay, so this is our brief. So in line with our this production ramp up, we have also prepared a master plan for digital initiatives, under which we have taken a lot of initiative. In the year 2021, we are the first CPSC who has implemented the CRP in from pit to port basis. Like all the modules, PP, PM, QM, EHS, SD, SCM, PS, whatever module you are assuming, all are available in our. Okay, and since last 4 years, all the business operations are have been migrated to this. Even reporting is also done there. We are also having dashboards where details are coming for senior management on a real time. Okay, so in addition to these two things, we have also prepared a master plan for digital initiative. As Saraj told, we have engaged GT MS Grand Threaten, who are our digital consultant, and with the help of GT, we have prepared a roadmap for digital initiative. Under this roadmap, we have identified approximately 12 major initiatives which are business critical. Out of these initiatives, certain initiatives have already been implemented, like digitally enabled drilling and blasting software, real-time stockpile management system. Then 2-3 are under pipeline, implementation of unified mine logistic management surveillance system, then ICCC and CCTV. And few are under advanced stage of rendering, like contact level management system and gauge pass automation. Apart from this, certain other initiatives we are yet to be started, like slope stability monitoring and vision enhancement. Next. So now coming to the business value chain. So as you know, iron ore mining is basically a massive deposit mining. Most of the iron ore mines across the globe are found at hilltop. Okay, so our if you say the RL, reduced level of iron ore mining is approximately 1100 meters. Okay, from ground mean sea level. So in the whole mining value chain, start from mine planning. See what happened. Mining is open cast mining is done basically in bench method. Okay, so before doing the mining, we have to prepare a mine plan that from which bench which material has to be excavated, and then when planning has been done, drilling and blasting is done. Drilling is nothing but putting the holes in a specific pattern, and then explosive is put inside the material and blasting is done. Then with the help of shovel dumper combination, in our all projects, we are using 85 to 100 ton dumpers and 8.8 to 10 cubic meters soil. So with the help of these two, we excavate material from blasted phase to crusher. And then what happened when we blast material is produced of different sizes. Because our end product falls under 3 category. One is lump, that means it is more than 10 mm and less than 150 mm. Then other one is CLO. We call it calibrated lump ore. We call calibrated because these material is directly fed into the steel plant. So size is plus 10 minus 40 mm. And then whatever is below 10 mm is referred as a fines material. Then so what happened after blasting, material is fed into crusher where sizing is done. And then from crushing, it goes to a screening plant where different size sieve size screens are there, where material segregation is done. So largely we segregate the whole material into 3 parts: lump, fines, and CLO. And then stacking is done at loading plant. We have separate stockpiles for lump, fines, and CLO. And then material is dispatched to the buyers with the help of rail and trucks. Major dispatch mode is rail, and minor material is dispatched through truck. Recently, we have also placing a slurry pipeline. So by 2030, 15 million ton material will be dispatched through the slurry pipeline. Next. So this is the typical crushing plant flow chart. So anyway, we will share the PPT with you, but just to mention you the topmost where we are we have written hopper. Hopper is nothing but the opening of crusher. So after blasting the material with the help of dumper, this material is fed into hopper. So hopper of size is such that the material, any material having boulder size is more than 1 meter should not be fed into that, because crusher will not be able to crush this material. So we fed material below 1 meter size, and then from primary crusher it goes to the see, there are different feeders are there, conveyors are also there. Then it goes to the secondary crusher where resizing is done, and from there it goes to the screening plant. So right now we will restrict ourselves up to the crushing plant only, because I think this area would be a bit easier compared to screening plant. And the major energy consumption, because topic is that insufficient use of energy. Next slide, Basant. So just see the process of crusher. This is
can see
dumper.
video.
Yeah, video you can see. So the dumper is dumping the material. See, the material we are dumping with combination of water material. This material largely seems Spanish material. What is just see some boulders are also there. Yeah, next slide. So next one. So, okay, so now coming into the problem statement, NMDC problem statement. Okay, so as I already told, crushing is among the most energy intensive stages in mineral processing, because what happened, the major material sizing is done here only. After this screening plant, it's though we are having crushers in screening plant also, tertiary crusher, but screening plant activity is largely related to segregating the material of different sizing. So whatever size crusher is done, it's in crusher only. So if we talk about the energy consumption, approximately 30% of total plant's energy consumption falls under here. And the major inefficiency in crushing leads to high energy consumption, higher operational cost, and increased environmental footprint of mining activities. So what happens? See, when we put different sizes of material, so when material is very hard, the crusher has to put more energy for crushing those material. Whereas when fines or small size material is fed into the crusher, the energy consumption is relatively less. So now expected solution. So if see, this is the anyway. Anyone is having any doubt till here? You can ask the question.
Yeah.
If you
Hello,
have any
sir.
query, yeah.
Yeah, sir. I ask. Sir, can you mention the configurations of the configuration of parameters of every chain in the mineral processing? So, are you guys using more than one crusher, like a primary, secondary,
Yeah.
or is it a closed? And then is it a closed circuit, or what are the separators, grizzlies? So, if we can give an idea about that one as well, like the exact configuration, what type of crusher do we have? I think I saw gyratory crushers, so there might be cone crushers as well. So, if you can give a bit of idea about that.
Yeah, in our case, I think primary, secondary crusher is gyratory crusher, and tertiary crusher, which I told is in screening plant, that is cone crusher. So we are having large size gyratory crusher. Size capacity is different from different product. Largely, you can say the TPH of gyratory crusher is approximately 2,500. Somewhere it is 1,800, somewhere it is 2,000, 2,500 TPH. Okay. And then what happened? We are having primary and secondary crusher. These two crusher falls under crushing plant purview. So first material is fed into primary crusher, then size is reduced from 1 meter to minus 350 mm size. Okay, then it goes to the secondary crusher. Then secondary crusher, whatever size is less than 150, it goes to a screening plant, and if size is more than 150, means minus 350 and plus 150, it again recycles and goes to the secondary crusher. So that is the broad process, I would say.
Okay, sir, understood. Thank you.
Anyone else?
And one more thing I would like to add. What type of sensors do we have already, like maybe a vibration sensor or anything related, any information which collects data at every interval or something? or maybe conditional monitoring. Is it implemented yet, or there is yet to be implemented based on the solutions?
Yeah, so actually, what happened? You are talking about CBM, preventive maintenance related things, and this sensors, vibration sensors. So right now we are having PLC implemented at all our screen plants. So whatever electrical parameters are available, those data are directly coming into the PLC, and we are having a SCADA. So in SCADA, you can see real time parameters of all those things. Okay, but as far as vibration is concerned, we didn't have any real time sensors, though periodically we are deploying Simfer. They are coming every quarter, every month they are coming, and they are just they are bringing their own sensor with with the help of this sensor. They measure the condition of the plant, and they recommend certain things which we need to follow. And this activity is done every month, but we don't have real time sensor monitoring at our plants.
Okay.
Though one of the initiative, as I told, one of initiative of our master plan is implementation of digital twin as well as condition-based monitoring. So in I think 2 to 3 years, we will be having all those things in our plants.
At this point of time, we don't have.
Yeah, at this point of time, we don't have.
Other than Saksham, any other queries anyone has, or we can proceed? Okay.
Okay. Okay. So expected solution which we are anticipating, because since you guys are from educational institution, so largely I suppose you would concentrate more on software part rather than hardware. Okay. Though you are free to suggest the solution. Okay. So one thing is AI monitoring, artificial intelligence monitoring. So what happened? One solution could be, see, material is fed into the crusher. Okay. When material is hard, crusher put more energy for crushing the material. But when material is fines, then if you can suggest some solution where a real-time speed control can be done based on the fed material, so that could be a good solution to reduce the energy consumption. Similarly, as you have already asked, reactive maintenance. So one solution could be the deployment of additional sensors in addition to PLC for monitoring other important parameter like vibration you told, so that wear and tear are less, and crusher is utilized as per its rated capacity. Okay. Then dynamic optimization, anyway, I have told. Then IoT integration is nothing but integration of sensors with any software platform from where we may get the real-time picture of our crushing plant. Then digital tool is definitely very important nowadays. It's a buzzword. So you can create a digital replica of the crushing plant, where instead of going to a particular section from the computer itself, a concerned person can get the parameter observed. Okay. And then simulation tools are also there. You can have various simulation things from where you can play and suggest the suitable parameters. Then renewable power. Anyway, this is one outside solution. If you want to reduce the electricity consumption, you can also suggest some other source of energy like renewable power and wind energy, like that. Okay. And if any storage capacity is also there, then you can replace those part with those part of electricity with this stored energy. Next. So I think this is the main. Okay, coming to the next. उसके बाद आ जाओ.
Thank you के बाद.
Thank. इसके बाद next.
अरे बाद
Thank you
यार,
के बाद
आगे नहीं आगे
आगे है. हाँ. So I think Mayur sir is basically AGM electrical. So I think these are technical parameters. So he would explain you certain things, along with we are having certain pictures also, just to give you the real feel of our crushing plant. So sir, please.
Here you can see the current.
Yeah, but
Here you can see the current and voltage parameters, power parameters. 106 PC is nothing but primary crusher, and 114S is the secondary crusher. Just for your knowledge.
आगे बढ़ो please.
This is our SCADA screen. Primary crusher 106. It is located at 11B, deposit 11B. So here you can see that it is in interlock position. Inching device limit switch is green, means it there is no inching at this time. All lubrication pumps are in on position. That's why all lights are green. नेक्स्ट, ये साइट कंडीशंस है हमारी।
नहीं आगे
नेक्स्ट, ये मोटर है, ड्राई मोटर, ये दिस इज 500 किलोवाट ड्राई मोटर at 11B. This is our V belt
नहीं next
driven through V belt. This is again a 11B crushing plant. इसका टच स्क्रीन। ये सेंसर स्टेटस है जो इनबिल्ट है। तो अभी कुछ अपग्रेडेशन वर्क इज इन प्रोग्रेस, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सम माइनस temperatures are coming, but these sensors are available there. And this is radar level means this is for hopper condition. That hopper is how much its level. So radar level, alarm level is 50% and trip level is 70%. ये पंप फीडबैक है, हाइड्रोलिक यूनिट पावर पैक फीडबैक एंड ऑयल पंप 1, पंप 2। जो भी हीट है थ्रू हीट एक्सचेंजर हीट डिसिपेशन भी रहता है।
So this is the basically brief of our business as well as functionality of the crushing plant. So now I think we can have a discussion and whatever doubts or whatever data you require for your solution, you can just communicate to us maybe today, maybe in this meeting or after that also through mail, and then we'll arrange the data and provide you, because as far as my information, we are having very less time. Okay, so I think we have to work on a war foot. Okay, so now over to participant.
See, through this session, we try to expose you to the problem, to our company, and some brief, I can't show you the entire process because it will be confusing. So we have restricted to the crushing plant where we had the problem. We tried to show you the picture and a certain whatever PLC and other SCADA details. We tried to show you the screens so that it can give you an idea of exactly what problem we have. Okay, so any further queries you can ask. Meanwhile, you can come out with your ideas, your solutions to solve this. Okay.
Sir, is only gyrated type of crusher is available there or some other type of crusher too available?
Yeah, we are having other crusher, as I told now. Apart from gyratory crusher, we are also having the cone crusher. But as far as problem statement is concerned, we are restricting ourselves to crushing plant. So in crushing plant, both the crushers, means primary crusher and secondary crusher, both are gyratory crushers.
Okay, so then we need to develop a solution for gyrated crusher.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Anyone? Any query related to functionality? Still some doubts are there.
We'll share this presentation also to you.
We'll share.
And you can maybe reach out to us afterwards also. There is no issue.
And any data for your suppose your solution, if you want any data.
Yeah, you need any further data also, we will be able to provide.
So you can just make a template and share with us, and we will provide. So energy consumption, as far as energy consumption is concerned, this is largely used for crushing the material. So that part, I think that part is very important. So your solution should largely revolve around this energy optimization. How we can optimize energy consumption in crushing plant. So any solution, any real-time monitoring, then condition of motors, whether they are okay, or if you can monitor the health in real time, so that would reduce the over consumption of energy. Then something smart metering type of things you can suggest, industrial meters for those part. Digital twin definitely a broader thing. condition like monitoring anyway you have told. So then some outside solution can also be suggested, like on a mining head, if you reduce the size of the boulder, then definitely the input material size would be within the sellable material size. So that would reduce the pressure over the pressure. So these are the few points where you can work out.
And energy saving during idle running of crusher.
Yeah, definitely.
Because in between the dumpers, there is some time. Always the crusher is running idly.
So,
Yeah,
so
sir. Yes, sir. I wanted to know this specific data. Like, what is the total running time throughout the day? Like, is it left idle for some time while feeding or while taking
In
out?
each 1 hour, 15 minutes.
You can
Is
say,
You can say.
actual crushing. Because what happened, generally 4 to 5 trips we fed into materials. So suppose 4 5, suppose 2 dumpers are operated, then 10 trips we fed into crusher. Okay. So largely 1 to 2 minute crusher takes to crush a particular material. Okay. So 20 minutes, 15 to 20, 25 depending on the material type. And for remaining time, it runs in idle condition. Okay. So
Okay.
if you can uh, concentrate over this part, how this can be optimized. Then again, second part which Saraj told, keep breakdown. So your solution, you can reduce the breakdown things, because what happens, suppose some line is breakdown below, and means that may also be thought of. So then vibration is also there. Maybe vibration might be having some impact on functionality of different parts. So those things can be
And do we use any other mixed material which is being mixed with the incoming feed, like the run of mine, like directly, maybe a lubrication or anything, a lining, so to protect the mill or to protect the crusher from scraping or anything related to that? Any other agent which we mix with the incoming feed?
no, not exactly, because that affects our quality, basically quality of material. Okay, so
Right.
we don't mix. Though liners are made in such a way, and periodically we change the liners also as per the requirement. So this type of problem anyway we are not facing. So apart from 1 to 4 type, remaining more types are not that much hard. So largely they don't have much impact on the pressure liner. Although anyway, crushing is a crushing activity, so impact would be there.
Okay, okay.
So one thing more. So like as you said, so should we focus on the grinding process also or stick ourselves to the crushing process?
Yeah,
Or the
definitely, because that is the main activity of pressure. Na? So if you focus on that part, I think you will get the solution.
okay.
Because
Okay,
that is the
so
main, see, you concentrate over the major activity, because remaining are
yes.
minor activities. Okay, and if you concentrate, if you have a controlled primary pressure, then I think remaining job would be easier.
Okay, so and so like we need so we need some kind of data set to verify that whether the result we are getting from digital twin is exactly the same like the thing we will get in the physical thing also, machines also. So is
Yeah, so
there
yeah.
some kind of
Yeah, we right now we are having, as I have already informed you, we are having data, PLC data, and then we are also having this periodic CVM study data. So let me check any recent data if available. We will share with you what
okay.
parameters periodically we measure. So then that's a good thing. You can suggest those periodic studies into a real time study, because
Okay,
then only we will migrate from breakdown maintenance to preventive maintenance to predictive maintenance.
yes, sir.
So we'll share, no problem, we'll share the data.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any data related to energy consumption, and then you can also work out what is the let me check how much data we are having. Whatever the energy consumption is your plant, and then this energy consumption with the world best miners like Vale, Rio Tinto. So you can compare with that. How though they are mostly doing mining in MDO mode, but at least you can compare with major miners who are having departmental mining.
Okay, sir.
Any best practice from those can also be part of your suggestion.
Okay, sir.
And as of now, sir, do we use any renewable energy source as the power source for crushers and like maybe other parts of the mineral processing pipeline? Like any solar powered energy? Are we harvesting any solar power? Anything else?
So yeah, as far as solar power is concerned, though we are having solar power unit at one of our project, but contribution of those solar power is very less, and we are supposed to directly feed this to the grid rather than in-house use. So directly we are not able to use that solar power energy into this crushing plant operations. So I think anyone of you have already visited the mining?
Yeah, so we like my team has visited mine. They were
Which
in
mine?
Dhanbad. In Dhanbad.
Dhanbad.
Yeah.
So Dhanbad में mostly I think underground mines are there. No?
Yeah,
Coal mines.
underground coal mines, yeah.
Jharia.
So like we were majorly we were there for long haul kind of specific setups we have to see a long haul mining because it's very difficult to visualize like
Yeah,
Norway, so
because
that's why we
yeah. So, anyway, underground mining and that too long haul mining is entirely different genre. So this is open cast mining, quite simpler compared to that.
yeah. Sir, I'm not sure. Were you guys there in Kolkata? Like in the there was a mela conducted regarding all the mining machineries. So I'm
Yeah,
not sure if
last month 31st.
yeah. So I think we were there for the like our whole department was there. We were looking into all of these machineries, all of these what industries are doing. So that is where we also I think saw something related to how what we're trying to optimize and everything.
Yeah, so if you have visited the that exhibition, Indian Mining Machinery Exhibition, so there I think you might have seen the stalls of some international brands like MRA, then Sandvik was also there. Okay, because Sandvik is already anyway they are the major sponsors, so they put their equipments even at the entrance of the exhibition itself. So if you got feedback from them, then that can also be utilized because they are actually implementing a lot of solutions similar to this what we are expecting from you to many of the organizations. Though in India this digital twin that to mining industry is quite new, and but abroad anyway it is working. So I think what you can do now, we will just share a presentation. You just go through, all the team members can go through the presentation, and maybe because anyway Saturday will be holiday for all the institutions, so you can work out tomorrow also. And by tomorrow you can send your queries, whatever additional information you are willing to get from us, and then maybe Sunday or Monday, by Monday evening, we will try to provide you the data, and then we can have one more round of discussion, uh, largely related to the solution, the line in which you are thinking, and we can suggest certain enhancements on that. We can filter out your solution. Okay, you can get the journals also. You can read on Google. Okay, AI is anyway there.
So what we suggest is that we have thrown open the problem and we have tried to introduce you to our company and our process. So we have had a discussion where we have told what is exactly our requirement. Now it is for you to brainstorm, think, and how best you can solve it. Okay, if you need any help from us, you can reach out to us for data or anything. We'll be more than happy to share it with you. This presentation also we'll send it across to you. Please spend your time and try to see what best you can do. Okay. If required, we'll meet once again after maybe 3-4 days. Okay. So if there is nothing, then we'll close. Thank you everybody for joining. Bye.
Sir, 1 minute.
Oh,
May I know Anand from which college?
Anand, you are from which college? Anand?
Anand, Drishik, and Shobika. They joined in the middle
Yeah,
of.
3 people joined later. So if Anand, who is that? One more person?
Drishik Das and Shobika.
Yeah, Rishik Das and Shobika. If you could just tell us from which institute you are, we'll note it down, please.
Yeah, Anand. Okay. Okay, one more suggestion. Whenever we come for the next meeting, you can put your institution name behind your name. So I think that would be good.
For what I'm understanding, there is nobody from this KR Mangalam University, Gurgaon.
Yeah, anyone from Gurgaon? I am Sovika A.
Triple A College.
Triple A.
Anybody from Gurgaon? कौन सा कॉलेज है? KR Mangalam College, Gurgaon.
Shobika replied.
So Drishik is from IIT Kharagpur. I think there is some issue from his end, internet
Okay.
issues. So he's from IT only, IIT Kharagpur. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think 4 persons are there from IIT Kharagpur.
All are from mining discipline, isn't it?
All are from IIT.
Yeah, all are from mining. Yeah.
हो गया ना?
ठीक है, okay.
Okay then, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.